guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be unboxing cars. This one is called a Chevy Silverado. This one is called Power Rocket, and this one is called Dragon Blaster. And I'm going to be opening the Dragon Blaster first, so yes. If you guys haven't seen the first video, go see it right now. So this is the Dragon Blaster. And what I like about it is that it has like a little tail and it has wings. And it's like a dragon or whatever. Now we're going to be opening. Oh yeah, what I don't like about it is that it has my least favorite color right there. Right there. And we're going to be opening Power Rocket now. What I like about this Power Rocket is that it's silver. It has like Power Rocket things that go boom. And like you could shoot people with that. Like if you're like rob something. Yeah, and I like the texture on it. And I don't really like that again. Now we're going to be opening this truck. Chevy Silverado. The one car. The one car. They're not close on me. Yes. Sorry, it took me a little while. This is the truck. What I like about it is it says Hot Wheels right there. And it has my favorite color red. But what I don't like about it is that it has a black Hot Wheels thing that says 2007. Anyways, these are the three cars. And if I had to pick one of them to like drive in real life, it would be this one. Because it has like little rocket things, and this one you can fly, but it would be that good of a job because this goes turbo fast. And this, I would never pick. Unless, like, you're carrying a heavy thing or something. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button with your thumb. And subscribe and turn on the post notifications and comment. Bye.